Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a DIY video on how I was able to get two crop tops from a t-shirt, one singlet and one top crop top that I use organza as the sleeves. So if you want to see how I was able to achieve this, please keep watching. So now I'll go ahead and place the tape on the t-shirt now to cut out the part I'll be using for the singlet and then for the crop top. Yeah, so after finishing this DIY, I realized that the t-shirt I used for my work was a weak fabric. So make sure you get a quality fabric, something stronger than this. This was a very weak fabric. So yeah, don't repeat the same mistake I did.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy.
Okay, so now I have the part I'll be using for the singlets. What I have to do now is just to confirm if the round measurement needs adjusting, and then once I was able to confirm that, I'll go ahead now and cut out 1 inch from this part to use for my straps. I'm going to be using that as my straps.
Maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories now.
I will pin this by 1/4 inch and hem the up because I don't want any rough edges, so I'll make sure I hem this. If you're doing this DIY with me, make sure you hem any parts that is any edges that is loose, because you don't want it to be falling apart when you're wearing it. So yeah.
But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me.
Oh, I'm just placing my tape to calculate 16 inches. That is what I need for my straps. I need my straps to be as long as 16 inches, an extra 1 inch added to that because of the joining allowance. Yeah, so yeah, 17 inches. Now on my tube, I'll go in by 4 inches on the sides. Yeah, because I want to pin my straps on those points, the 4 inches. So I'll make sure I indicate the points. That is where I'll be pinning the straps to, front and back.
What's on the other side of inhibition? No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side? I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all.
From the middle point on the neckline, the front neckline, I'll take 3 inches down, and then I'll connect this to the shoulder.
the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it.
After cutting this out, I'll go ahead and hem this. This is our new front neckline. I was actually going for a v-neck, but because the fabric is too weak, it just keep falling apart. Yeah, but anyways, place my tape on the armhole to calculate what I have there. This is going to enable me know what to cut out for the sleeves.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition.
Okay, now to get my sleeves, I'll go in by 3 inches and then I'll go down by 5 inches and I'll connect both points together. So now to be sure I get my 9 inches, because that's what I had on the armhole, I'll place my tape on this fabric again and then calculate 9 inches plus ½ inches for sewing allowance. I'll connect this straight down to the
No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me.
Now I'll just pin the sleeves to the top like so, and then I'll take this to the machine to sew.
If I go out of track, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good.
Now guys, I took out a fabric on the neckline, the former neckline, so this is where I got the fabric from. Yeah, so this fabric now is going to serve as the passage for my straps. So I'm going to pin this on the front neckline, the middle of the front neckline, and then I'll sew the sides and also the middle. This is where the straps are going to pass through. So
what's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, how do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so cool.
also for the sleeves we took out on this t-shirt, I'll be bringing them back because I need pieces of fabric from them, the 2 sleeves. So yeah, I'll cut out those pieces of fabric because this is what I'll be using for my straps. So after cutting this out, I'll make them one. I'll join them together and make them one because I just need one. And after getting one, I'll sew this, and these are gonna serve as the straps.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's in.
Once I was done sewing the piece of fabric in the middle of the front neckline, this was the result, or this is the result. So now I'll go ahead with my safety pin. I'll pin that to my straps and then pass this through the passage for the straps. And once I'm done with that, you guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you like the DIYs, because I'll be bringing more DIYs to you. But no, my next video is not going to be on DIYs. Guess it's going to be on how to make a dress anyways. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead and do that right now. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I want to see your likes, people. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. All right, so I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. There are no goodbyes here. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Stay blessed.
The other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so